Need cash now? Tired of struggling paycheck to paycheck? Ping Payday can help. Ping Payday provides hassle-free payday loan advances so you can get your money when you need it for bills, car repairs, medical emergencies, and other unexpected costs. It's your money. Get it now.
Ping Payday made it easy for me to get money when my car broke down.
Our process is secure, safe, and fast. Log on now and get up to $1,000 with no paperwork and no hassles. Once you are approved, you can get your check as soon as the next business day. Bad credit? We understand. Our friendly agents look at more than just your credit score, and they will work with you even if you have been turned down by other lenders.
I needed money for bills, and they got it to me in less than 24 hours.
Ping Payday knows that everyone needs a little help sometimes. Get the money you need with the dignity you deserve. We will treat you with respect and help you get the cash you've earned and need fast, safe, and easy.